What's up guys, I am from Wishva YouTube channel. So today I have brought an interesting episode. Rather than telling it is as an interesting episode, I will call it as a video series. So today I am going to talk about the VSDC video editor. As this is a free video editor, we all can try out this. No watermark, no green screen and very user friendly to beginners. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell button. So let's go to the video. First, open the Chrome software. After that, search VSDC video editor. Then go from the second web result. So you can see there are 4 categories: video editor, video converter, audio CD grabber. So as we want video editor, click on the video editor. So after that you will load for a new page. So in here they have given 2 versions, 64-bit version and 32-bit version. So now I'll teach you how to see your PC operating system version. First, click on your this PC icon. After that, you right click on that. After that, select the properties from the drop down below. So you can choose what version is eligible for your PC. Then download the relevant category from the previous page. So after the downloading process, you must go through from your installing process. After that, click on the software. So after that, we can see the blank project, create slideshow, import content, video capture and screen capture. And also there are some special features in this software. Motion tracking, 360 degrees editor, and we can edit our video to the beat of the audio, and AI art generator. Especially we can see the masking tool and the chrome key or the green screen option. Next, click on your blank project icon. So give a project name for your composition and select your video size and choose the place where it saves on your PC. So in the second step, choose the add object in the editor's preview. After that, click on the video option. Next, drag and drop a video file to your timeline. After that, you can see the video is running smoothly in the timeline bar. So now I am going to teach you how to do a cut in this software. Now take your timeline to the place where the cut should be done and click the split icon in the tools section. Now you can see the video has been broken down into parts. So now I am going to show what are the color grading options in this software. As you all know, color grading option can be seen in some professional video edit softwares only, such as Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve and Final Cut Pro. So in this software, it has been developed with the option color grading. In here, we can see the option RGB curves. So it consists with 3 main colors. We can balance the red, green, blue colors through this panel. So when we go down, we can see the saturation control. Saturation also can be controlled very easily. So from these features, we can add a good color grade for our video. So next, I am going to show how to add the text for your video through this software. First, click the add object in the editor's preview. And after that, select the text option from the below drop down. Now you can type a text on the video. So you can add some colors to your text. So now we are in the last step of our project. So now we want to export the project. So click the export tab in your preview. After that, you can choose your project saving path. So next, click on the export project button. After that, you can see your project will start to render. If you like this video series, make sure to drop a comment in the comment section. This is the end of my video, so make sure to subscribe my channel and to click the bell button. So let's meet from my next video.